Okay, let's continue. And now let's calculate the sine and cosine hyperbolics. From here, the sine hyperbolic is x over a. So let's substitute it, x over a. And what about cosine hyperbolic? According to the formula I gave you before, the cosine hyperbolic squared minus sine hyperbolic squared equals 1. So the cosine hyperbolic squared would be this plus 1. What is sine hyperbolic squared? This is x over a squared. So x over a squared plus 1, and the cosine hyperbolic would be plus and minus of this. But since cosine hyperbolic is always positive, because it is this, like this, over 2 e to the power of x or z plus e to the power of minus z over z. You know, everything is positive here. So the positive would be acceptable here. So this cosine hyperbolic would be equal to this. Let's write it cleaner. X over a times this, x over a squared plus 1, okay, plus a squared z over 4. But you know, the integral is with respect to x, and we should write this with respect to x also. Okay, but here we got z, and we should write this z with respect to x. Okay, what is z? According to here, you know, x over a is sine hyperbolic of z. So z would be what? Z would be the inverse function of sine hyperbolic of x over a. You know, and according to the formula for the inverse function of sine and cosine hyperbolics I gave you before, that would be, ln of x over a plus the square root of x over a squared plus 1. So you know, this is z. Okay, everything with respect to x and numbers. And you know, now let's add the constant of integration finally. Let's call it c prime, something like that. Okay.